Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So I'm going to talk about a little bit of WarriorPlus affiliate marketing and how I made about $300. So if you see, this is the WarriorPlus platform and I clicked on last month. So if I just click reload here, you will see that for this offer called free post zone, I have made about $300 and massive 70% conversions, right? It was 85%, but the launch is kind of over now. The price has increased. So that's why a little drop, but still this is a massive conversion rate. And I'm going to explain how I did all that. So let's go back to our trusty whiteboard here and let me show you what exactly I did. So the step one was find a winning offer. So how did I do? So I went to a website called muncheye.com. Let me show you that. So this is what muncheye.com looks like, and this is basically a launch calendar. So you can say today is 20th of August and these products are all launching today, right? And then 21 August, 22 August, and it just lists for months and months. You can see right November till November, December, and even January. This is next year, by the way, next year of July. So there are so many launches happening and you can find a lot of affiliate products by coming in here. All right. So I went through each of this offer and I found this offer called free post zone. And by the way, I knew the vendor of this offer and his name is Kevin Fahe. And I know he is a very trusted vendor. He actually delivers what he promises and releases quality products. Okay. So I selected that, this offer called free post zone here. Now the process was simple. I simply visited to this website called muncheye.com, and from there I checked out the JV page or affiliates page, whatever that you want to call it. And from JV page I could request for the affiliate link, right, which I used to actually promote this product. Now apart from the JV page, let me just make it real quick here. Now apart from the JV page here, I also contacted Kevin here and got the review access for that product so that I can, review like what exactly the product is, right? Is it a course? What exactly does it do? So I got it. I was a training. I took a look at it and then I actually liked it, right? So I decided that I am going to promote this product. Now we come here to our second step, and that is creating an irresistible offer, right? So this offer was already there, but what I was going to do is I was going to increase the value of the main offer itself. And how do we do it? We do it by creating bonuses, right? This is how affiliates make money. This is how affiliates stand out and make big commissions. And how do you do it, right? How do you create all these bonuses? Well, before, right, it was tough, like for newbies, for people, it was tough to stand out. But now there is AI, right? There is ChatGPT, there is Gemini, right? And you can get ideas. So what it was, I simply went and took the sales page, right? And, I fed it to the AI. I use Gemini for this example, right? So I fed it to Gemini, like this was a sales page, analyze it for me, and then I fed it the information about the product. I got the review access, right? So I noted down what exactly it was, and then I fed that to Gemini as well, like more data. And I also fed it the upsells and all those data as well, so that it can analyze everything and suggest me what bonuses would be most valuable to the people that I am going to sell. All right. And let me just show you the review page that I created for that. And this is the review page that I created for it, right? I will talk about the video in the next step, but let's talk about the free post zone, this review page here. And you can see, like, very simple, right? I listed all the upsells and everything, but the main thing is here is bonuses, right? As you can see, the perfect review template, the click magnet headline vault, the social swiper pack, the irresistible bonus blueprint, all these are suggested by Gemini, right? Gemini suggested a lot of options, like 10 to 15 options. I asked it to give all these suggestions, and I chose few that I found the most valuable. And I've decided to create those 3, 4, 5 bonuses with AI, right? And few of them are completely created end to end by AI, right? By Gemini itself. So this way I have increased the value of the offer itself, right? So for people who are going to check out my offer, so this is free post zone. If they are going to buy, if they found my content, and if they see my bonuses, which actually really highly complemented this offer, then they are much more likely to buy from me than others. And that's exactly why you see this high conversion rate. So let's talk about the next step now. So I have increased the value, I have created my offer. Let me just zoom it out. And the third one is launching my offer to the buyer traffic, right? Buyer traffic. So how do we find the buyer traffic? What exactly it is? Well, buyer traffic are people who are ready, like they are ready to invest on that offer. And I just need to be in front of them. They are just looking for reviews on YouTube, on Google to make that final decision, like whether they want this offer or not. They actually want to look at the dashboard, feel the software before even they buy. I will talk about the whole process in a bit. So either they check out for the reviews, all these reviews, and then they find my offer here. And since they are buyer intent traffic, my conversion rate is gonna be high and I will make money. Now, according to me, this is the best way any newbie can actually make money, right? Any newbie that can actually make money, since there is no audience needed, really, right? No audience required, no followers, no email list, right? You do not need an email list. All my sales has came from YouTube itself. Let's just say you are still skeptical and you are unsure if these review videos will even work for you. So let me just show you exactly what it is. So on YouTube, I search for free post zone review. You are free to go ahead and check it yourself. And you can see these are not my videos, right? If I go down, and you will see my video in somewhere here. There we go. Like I'm like 12th position, 10th position, I'm not sure. So you don't even need to be in the top 3-5 positions to actually able to make money with this. Now you might have an argument that I have like 4,000 subscribers and that's why few of my subscribers are buying. But let me prove it to you again that these sort of review videos are not watched mostly by my subscribers. But the video that I'm doing right now, the strategy videos, those are what my subscribers like. Those gets me most views. So this actually has just 268 views and that made me almost $300, like more than $1 a view. But anyway, I want to show you the analytics. So this is the video and this is the analytics. Let me just go and reach, I guess. And we will go down here and we will see the external sites, right? The proportion of my total traffic, 50% are from Google search. So my video ranked on Google search and 7% of them are from YouTube. All right. And 5% are from ChatGPT. I'm not sure. So maybe people are searching for reviews on ChatGPT and my video popped up. That's amazing, by the way. So when you upload for a review video, you will be able to rank easily on Google and YouTube, right? You don't even need to rank highly in order for this to work. If you just get like 30 views, 50 views, and if you're in front of the right people, you're going to make money. So let me explain that concept as well real quick so that you understand how this exactly works. How are you getting all this traffic? So what happens is, like, if you go to Munchai, those are the launch calendar, a product launches, right? A product launches. So when it launches, there are a lot of affiliates, let's just call them top affiliates. They send emails, right? They send emails about this launch, this product launch that's happening. Right? So they are like hundreds and thousands of subscribers here, email subscribers, all these top affiliates combined. All right. So what a portion of the subscribers, a lot of them will actually go ahead and buy directly. So this top affiliate will make money, but a percentage of them will go to Google, will go to YouTube and actually search for the review of that product. And when they search for that review on Google, on YouTube, we are ready with our awesome review video with the increased value of the bonuses that we are going to promote, we are going to give them, right? So they will now click the link from us, like they will click our affiliate link here and we actually make money. So this is what actually called launch jacking. Now, I'm sure a lot of you know exactly what launch jacking is, but they still struggle to make money. And that's because this is still a system. There is a process that you need to follow. If you have a step-by-step process, and if you actually take consistent action, there is no way that you cannot get the results here. So yeah, that's the exact process, right? Once again, let's recap. What do? I find a product, and then what do? I create a review. But before that, I actually increase the value of that offer, that offer that I found. I increase the value, and then I create a review of the product itself. Plus, I also give them option to get it from me and get all this value in form of bonuses by purchasing from me, making me money. That is it. So to find the product, you increase the value by creating the bonuses, use AI for it, you create the review video and upload it onto YouTube. It is that simple, right? But people still don't know how to create awesome bonuses, how to create high converting review, and that's exactly why I created buyer wave method. I have purchased my fair share of courses on affiliate marketing. I have purchased the launch hacking courses too, and I tried them all, right? But this is my way. This worked best for me, and I'm positive that any newbie will be able to follow this strategy. And I created this with as little videos as possible because I wanted to give you step-by-step modules like do this, do that, do this, do that, so that you can follow me and replicate it for your launch hacking campaigns. So yeah, if you want that, you can go ahead and check my buyer wave method. The link will be in the description. But yeah, I hope you got the point. I hope you get the value in this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.